In this video, we're visiting the charming town of Charlottesville, Virginia. We've just wrapped up a trip to Scranton, PA, as we are huge fans of The Office, and if you are too, you should check that video out. But on our way back down south, we'll be using Charlottesville as our stop for the night. Before we arrive in Charlottesville, we decide to make a pit stop in Hagersville, Maryland. We're stopping at a Lidl grocery store, which is German, as is Kevin. Huh?
Do you see the sausage?
Eventually we make it to Virginia, which is for lovers. I do really enjoy this drive along the Shenandoah Range. And finally, we make it into town. We decide to get some dinner at Luce's, a literal hole in the wall, serving handmade pasta to go.
It's fine like that. Yeah. Sorry. That's fine. Okay.
Okay, very good. That was from Luce, I guess is how you pronounce it.
Very European here.
Looks very European.
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
Could be totally somewhere in Europe.
Yeah?
Even outside there, no cars.
Yeah. And then we saw a doner kebab place up the street, so of course Kevin's gonna get some. It's one of his favorite foods.
Hi guys. Hi.
A happy German with this salty milk drink.
So good. Ja, drei ran.
Is it good? It's good.
Good, yeah.
And here we have our fettuccine pasta. What was it again? Pasta fettuccine with meatballs. Yep.
Good?
Oh, that's a big meatball.
Wie ein Meatball.
I was lower enlisted, dude. I wasn't
Kevin's salty yogurt milk. Nutso. And now we just walk around the pedestrian mall a bit before we head to our hotel for the night. Walk around tomorrow, see what's around.
Ja.
It looks like some of these places do look cute.
Maybe they're out of here.
Yeah. We are staying at the Sleep Inn. Well, we already started unpacking and de-dressing, but this is the room. Pretty small, so there's not really much to show here. The bathroom is humongous. And I thought it was accessible, but I don't think it is. Maybe, I don't know. The German version of Pocky.
I was like, it's like you're like going away from me, like, where are you? So I'm going down.
It's good.
Yeah.
The next morning, we head over to the IX Art Park. It was really empty at this time, but it would definitely be cool to see this place with vendors and live music, which is what it was clearly made for. There's book covers everywhere. Go kiss the butt. Yeah, if we were staying longer, it definitely would have been cool to visit when something was going on.
Oh, we don't know where to see it. The students are.
And now to the famous Bodo's Bagels. Everyone's going here. Let's see what this place is like then. Very popular. There was a massive line out the door. But I'd say we only ended up waiting about 15 minutes total, both to order and for our food to be prepared. Okay, that is quite the line.
Oh well, let's try a bagel.
It's quite a
Can we
bagel.
get some napkins maybe?
Yeah. It's really good. That's really good. And after Bodo's, we went back to the pedestrian mall, which was a lot less exciting than yesterday evening, unfortunately. Lots of things were closed for Memorial Day. With German colors.
Yeah.
Here's a little Memorial Day ceremony going on.
Until Iraq ultimately surrendered in the spring of 1990. With that said, when ground for combat operations.
Then we decided to go into this building that had several country flags on it, including Germany. It was very empty in here. Yeah, so why was there a German flag? That was misleading.
There's some Mexican food there.
Yeah, there was literally only Mexican thing.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know what that is either. Maybe some sort of whatever the noodles is, the Asian one. Yeah, so basically this whole building only has an Asian and a Mexican.
Yep.
Mexican coffee. We went into one of the only shops that was open, which was this little bookstore. Find anything you want to read? What's your favorite book? And of course, we got a latte. You always love to open it up?
Yep.
Why?
Smell it?
To smell it?
Yeah. Smell is part of the.
And how does it smell?
I don't know.
Should I open mine up?
Yeah.
After our time in town, we hop in the car for about an hour to go to Natural Bridge. We were going to visit Monticello, but decided it's something for another time as we still had a lot of driving to do for the day. So we go into the visitor center to purchase our entry tickets. They said they didn't have any maps or brochures, which I find disappointing considering they're charging $9 per person.
It's just a gift shop.
Yeah, I'm not really a fish person.
You're not? Oh my god, yeah.
Well, then you can, oh, hey. That's what I wanted. That's pretty steep. Oh.
Okay.
All right, you guys are good.
Thank you. After about 10 minutes walking down, we arrive at the bridge, and it is quite something. It's pretty neat. Now we continue down the trail to see the waterfall at the end. And let's head back out. So this is the cave. This is our new house.
I know.
Now we're back on the road, headed home, and our little trip is over.